All right, I'm going to get started. I'm going to go in and click New Project. From there, I am going to click Text so that I can get started with the writing for this project. You're going to want to type whatever saying you want. I chose Enter at Your Own Risk. So that is what I'm going to do right now. And I'm kind of going to try to move it over to see where I wanted. And now I'm going to go in and change the font. I already know what font I want, so I'm actually just going to type it in the top for the search. I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to click the second row and change them both. I think it was called Chicken Scratch. Here I'm playing around with the... So here I'm actually going to do my placement for where I want both rows, and then I'm going to weld them both so that when I go to cut, they're all cutting on one sheet. I'm playing around with the colors. I'm not really sure why I was doing this. I know that I wasn't sure if I wanted red for the front or black for the back, so that's why I did red. I'm not sure what I was doing with yellow, but I did ultimately choose black. I'm going to go in, and now I'm going to search for an image to add to the reverse canvas. For mine, I chose like a kind of scary murder type theme. So here I am just looking through some of the different Halloween themed images that Cricut Design Space offers, completely past the one that I knew I actually wanted. So I was getting kind of frustrated because I was like, I just saw it. It wasn't there, so actually I'm going to just go through some more, and yeah. Alright, so I found the image that I wanted. I'm going to click it and then insert it onto my canvas. I'm going to hide the part that says horror because I want my enter at your own risk there. I'm also trying to hide that horror outline, and I played around with it a little bit until I finally got just the blood splatter, I think you would call it. I changed the color to red, and now I place it over my words. I want that in the back so I can just see how it's going to look. So I'm going to send it to the back using the arrange button. Now I'm going to kind of play with the placement a little bit. It doesn't matter, they're going to cut separately and I'm going to have to place it on the canvas regardless, but this just helps me visualize how I want it, and now I can shape it the way I want, or size it the way I want also. I was going to go with 7, but I thought 7.5 might be a little bit better on an 8-inch canvas. Here we have moved forward a little bit, and I am actually using my Joy for this. So I have both of my mats laid out, both black and red, and I selected Premium Holographic for the red because that is the type of vinyl that I'm using.
Alright, so this is how you're going to separate the canvas from the frame. You take your X-Acto knife and you just drag it across the back of the canvas. And this will cut apart, like I said, the canvas from the frame, and you can kind of see there how it's like already coming off. You'll need to do that to all 4 sides.
Okay, I did want to pop back in and say that using HTV iron-on would have been a lot easier than using premium vinyl and holographic, but that is okay. It is really just your preference. It is a little harder for the vinyl to adhere than it would be for HTV, but I made it work. Just let it cure and you should be fine. For this part, I did want to explain why I have a pen. I'm actually going to try to mark where I want my staples to go, so that there is no confusion when I have to staple it. And that is what I'm about to get started right now. If you are giving this away as a gift or selling this, you will want to use more staples to make it a lot more sturdy. This was very like flimsy with only 4 staples, but I was just doing this for the purpose of the video and just for something to have around my apartment during Halloween. I don't really like to decorate for Halloween as much as I like to decorate for fall, so that is why this particular decoration is not all that sturdy or great, because it is just for my personal use. But yes, if you want to give this away or sell it, make sure that you're using a lot more staples. Here I'm just cutting off the rest of the actual canvas from the frame. You don't want that peeking through. That kind of ruins the look. And cut it more clean. Use an X-Acto knife if you have it. That would make it really easy if you're selling it. I did realize that I didn't paint the inside, so off camera I painted the inside so that the frame is all completely black, and it looks so much better now. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.